Okay, this tutorial is going to show you how to go to Google Images and get a high quality image to use in your computer art assignments. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Google, and then I'm going to type in this case I'm going to do landscapes, and I'm going to search, and of course I want to get images, and I want to get large. And now that I'm looking at large images, I'm going to grab, let's take this one here. This is a nice large image. And I'm going to blow that up. Now, if you're a Mac user, I can just literally just click and drag it out onto the desktop. I can drag it out onto the desktop. Or you can right click and save the image and save that to the desktop. And now you've got the image on the desktop. Okay, now you've got a good large image. I'm going to put that picture into Photoshop, and now let's get some things out of my way here. And I've got the image in Photoshop, and I'm going to go to image size. I want to go to image size. Notice that it is 72 dpi, 10 by 14. Well, that's a pretty good size image. What I can do though is I can go to the width and I can hit 10. Okay, and that'll be a good image to post to the discussion board. Now I'm going to close out the image, and now I've got it in Photoshop, and I'm going to hit image adjust image mode and convert it to grayscale. And now once I convert it to grayscale, I've got to go back and image mode RGB, which allows me to add color to that image. So once you have your black and white image, it was color, you converted it, and now you're ready to add color to it in your colorization. If I were to be doing a partial colorization, I may just color the sails of the boats or these ice boats and maybe put some color into the sky. If I'm doing a total colorization, I would do the entire picture. And the key point about colorizations is that you want to use a very, when you get your brushes, or when you fill an area, you want to make sure that you work with a low opacity, so you build the color and you get a brush that is matches up with the area you want to work with. And I'm just going to grab a blue, and see that I can add color this way, or I can select the sky and fill the sky with color. But the trick is low opacity and build that color up instead of plopping dark color on top of an image. So the key point here is make sure you get those large files from Google, not the low resolution files, because when you work with them, they're going to be pixelized, meaning you can see the pixels. So I hope this little tutorial was helpful.